today's video, I'm going to show you how to make beautiful Confluence pages that are both visually appealing and easy to use. If your pages feel plain or hard to navigate, a few simple design choices can completely transform how they look and function. The foundation of a great Confluence page starts with layout. Breaking up long blocks of text and using different page layouts or full image sections instantly creates visual interest. This isn't just about appearance, it helps guide the reader's eye and makes the content easier to follow from top to bottom. Next, focus on your heading structure. Using clear and consistent heading levels creates a strong visual hierarchy and makes your page feel organized and professional. Headings help readers scan the page quickly and find exactly what they're looking for without feeling overwhelmed. Another powerful feature to use is the table of contents macro. Placing it near the top of your page gives readers an instant overview and lets them jump directly to any section they need. This is especially useful for longer pages and significantly improves usability. Spacing is equally important. Using dividers or adding space between layouts helps separate sections clearly. This prevents your content from feeling crowded and makes each section easier to digest while keeping the page cohesive. At the top of your page, consider adding an info panel or a clear header section. This gives readers immediate context about what the page is for and what they can expect to find. Setting expectations early improves engagement and keeps users oriented as they read. Finally, take advantage of Confluence templates. Templates provide a consistent structure and save time when creating new pages. With the layout already in place, you can focus more on delivering high-quality content rather than designing from scratch each time. By applying these techniques, your Confluence pages will not only look more polished, but also become more intuitive and user-friendly. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more simple and helpful Confluence tips and tech guides like this.